Hi, this is Nomad Restorations. We're out here at 508 Blue Mountain Rise, Canton, Georgia, 30114. We're doing an attempt to repair for this homeowner who's already had a repair estimate paid for. We're gonna attempt to repair this wind crease shingle here. We're gonna go ahead and get started. Today is Monday. It is April 8th, and the time is 4:45. We are using the roof snake, as you can see, as the recommended tool for repair. As you can tell, whenever he's lifting the shingles, he's trying not to lift them above 45-degree angle.
Instantly ripped. How brittle. Trying to get the.
So when trying to remove the nail with the roof snake, it instantly tore right there on the above shingle.
can see here, there's creased shingles from doing the repair. Here and here. And the one shingle that ripped, showing that this roof is unrepairable.
All right, that'll conclude our attempt to repair. Like he said, you can see the creased shingles here, the far left here, and they're even beginning to crease here. You saw that we did not lift the shingles over 45 degrees and did everything we could with the recommended tools to avoid any more manipulation than necessary. Please take this into consideration when reviewing. Thank you so much.